quick little adjustments. Already, this don't feel like this don't crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, whoa. No copyright, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's not about the money right now, but you know, at the end of the day, you feel me. But I'm pulling off too quick, man. You know what I'm saying? We gonna have to put that thing in track mode. You know what I'm saying? 700 power thing. You know what I'm saying? Got my little scatty right there. So we gonna see what this cat talking about. Little point of view drive. Little point of view thing. You feel me? Driving this thing real quick. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm looking at my thing right now, my car. Them white lights. Way better than them colorful lights. No cap. This cat crazy. It's just the wine, y'all. I'm telling y'all, bro. It's the wine. This thing, oh my god. Being in a cat, man, this junk gonna make you smile all day long, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. We got the big 200 on the dash right here. You know what I'm saying? We is in track mode. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, I got something coming for the scatty, man. I got something coming for the scatty. I got used to the power so quick in that thing. But it's a good, I feel like that's a good car though. Like, you know, like for daily driving and stuff like that, the Scat is good. But the HELLCAT can be good too if you daily driving the cat too, but I don't know. See me, I'd be daily driving that cat. I don't care what going on. What the? This boy don't know how to drive. You don't go. Oh my God. Let me up the window just a little bit for y'all, boy. This joke. But the downshift on this thing is brutal, bro. The downshift on this thing, you feeling that downshift, man. This thing here is crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, what y'all boy think, man? Should we bring a HELLCAT to the channel? I know you've been saying it for a little second, man, but you know what I'm saying? Look at 392 thing. Looking clean as usual. You feel what I'm saying? Big 392, man. Y'all boy keep your car warm. Oh. Let me see this charger right here. I'm trying to make her here. But this junk be wanting to get off the road. This junk like hopping. Like what the? y'all boy taking the loudness from the scat or the wine? I drive this junk every day, bro. I would drive this thing every single day. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, boy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all boy, shoot, what y'all want? But y'all gotta tell me, y'all gotta drop some more ideas in the comment section below, man. Y'all boy gotta help us out. You know what I'm saying? Us content creators, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can help us out. Y'all watch the videos, like, what y'all boy wanna see? Little pop action from the cat. But that's got loud. I ain't gonna lie. Big cat thing. Do you don't want no smoke? S3? You don't want no smoke? S3? You feel me? You don't want to do that, man. I seen you looking all the way back there. You feel me? But I know, man. That boy trying to get the. That boy trying to get the scat. Boy trying to get the scat. That thing. Just imagine doing this all day. Somebody gonna get mad. That's crazy. right, y'all. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's POV drive. Something simple. I just asked my boy if I could borrow the cat for a little second. Let y'all boy hit this wine.